Musikabasio mwancho morigeria OMORAI ya Kenya Musikio William Ruto nigo ritukuria rero haraigatia baraikuru ase serikali anene na serikali ya kaunti ya Kakamega bikarana ase University ya Masinde Muliro hase OMOROBERIO BW'OGOCHAKIA ESAKO ya SHIRIKIANA iyo atebire nigo irache bakonya abananchi abarache koba ababwatani kwegenderia ase ensemo y'obonjoria abagokonyora chibesa ichache bakonya hasa magima abo OMORAI nigo akeire ekuka emeroberio ya serikali iyagenderia kobeka emeroberio yokwena na chibesa gochia ase abananchi wekine.
I am delighted to join you today for the launch of SHIRIKIANA SACCO, a landmark moment in our journey towards economic empowerment, financial inclusion, and shared prosperity. We have not gathered here merely to set up another financial institution. We are here to witness the birth of a genuine, people-owned economic movement. SHIRIKIANA SACCO is a platform through which ordinary citizens can organize their savings, access affordable credit, build enterprises, create opportunities, and build lasting wealth for themselves and for their families. It rests on a very powerful idea that the greatest economic force in any nation is not the wealth of the few individuals, but the collective efforts of millions of ordinary people working together. The name says it all. SHIRIKIANA. Come together, work together, grow together, and prosper together. That is the philosophy that built the cooperative movement in Kenya. And it lies at the heart of the bottom-up economic transformation agenda. Growth becomes meaningful when it begins with the grassroots, when it begins with ordinary people, farmers, market traders, border riders, artisans, the young people, people with rich ambition but who do not have enough capital. That is where the cooperative movement comes. These are the people who drive our economy every day. Yet, for too long, many have remained excluded from affordable financial services and productive capital. SHIRIKIANA opens these doors and gives ordinary citizens the tools to shape their own economic future.